Travel is about exploring new places. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and immersing yourself in the unknown. Whether you're wandering through bustling city streets or hiking through serene landscapes, every moment is an opportunity to discover something new. It's about trying new foods and meeting new people, savoring the flavors of exotic street food, engaging in conversations with locals, and learning about their culture and traditions. These experiences enrich your journey and create lasting memories. It's exciting, but things don't always go as planned. Sometimes, unexpected challenges arise and your carefully laid plans might go awry. But that's part of the adventure. That's okay. Being flexible is key to a great trip. Embracing the unexpected with a positive attitude can turn potential setbacks into delightful surprises. Flexibility allows you to adapt and make the most of every situation. Imagine this, you're headed to the beach. Suddenly it rains, your perfect beach day seems ruined, but it doesn't have to be. Instead of being sad, find a local museum, try a new restaurant, explore indoor attractions you might have otherwise missed. These spontaneous changes can lead to unexpected joys. Don't let a little rain ruin your adventure. Embrace the weather, grab an umbrella, and continue exploring. Sometimes the rain can add a magical touch to your experience. Flexibility means going with the flow. Enjoy the unexpected detours. These unplanned moments often lead to the most memorable experiences. A spontaneous detour can reveal hidden gems and unique encounters. These unexpected moments often lead to the best memories. The stories you'll tell and the laughter you'll share come from these unplanned adventures. They become the highlights of your trip. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to explore. Be prepared for anything and everything. The world is full of surprises waiting to be discovered. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Every step you take, every mile you travel is part of the adventure. Embrace each moment, whether you're on a road trip or flying high above the clouds. Be open to change, and you'll have an amazing time. Flexibility allows you to fully experience the beauty of travel, so go out there, embrace the unknown, and create unforgettable memories. We all want smooth travels. Packing smart can help. Think about what might happen. Pack extra clothes for weather changes. Bring a small first aid kit. Keep important documents handy. Copies of your passport, visa, and tickets are essential. Having digital copies is a good idea too. You never know when you might need them. Pack some snacks. This helps when delays happen. Nuts, granola bars, and dried fruit are good options. They are easy to pack and will keep you energized. Remember, a well-packed bag can be a lifesaver. It gives you peace of mind. You're ready for anything. Weather can be unpredictable. It's important to check the forecast before you go, but be ready for anything. Pack layers of clothing. This way you're prepared for sun, rain, or even snow. If a storm hits, don't panic. Use it as an opportunity. Explore indoor attractions. Visit a museum, art gallery, or historical site. You might discover something new and exciting. Check for local advisories. Follow the guidance of authorities. Safety is always the priority. Remember, a little rain can't dampen your adventurous spirit. Embrace the unexpected and make the most of it. Flight delays are frustrating, but they are a part of travel. Stay calm and informed. Check your flight status regularly. Download your airline's app for updates. Pack your patience. Bring a book, magazine, or download movies. This will help pass the time. Use the delay to catch up on emails or plan activities for your trip. If your flight is canceled, contact your airline immediately. Be polite and ask about alternative flights. Check if they offer meal vouchers or hotel accommodations. Remember, getting upset won't make the plane arrive faster. Stay calm, be proactive, and you'll be back on track in no time. Section 5. Life's little hiccups. Handling personal emergencies on the road. Sometimes unexpected things happen. You might get sick. It's important to be prepared for these moments. You might lose your wallet. Don't panic. Losing your wallet can be a stressful experience, but staying calm is crucial. Stay calm and take things one step at a time. Start by retracing your steps to see if you can find it. Sometimes it might just be misplaced. If you have a medical emergency, seek help immediately. Don't hesitate to ask for assistance from those around you. Go to a local clinic or hospital. Your health is paramount. Make sure you know the location of the nearest medical facility. Losing your wallet can be stressful. It's important to act quickly to minimize any potential issues. Report it to the local police. Filing a report can help protect you from any fraudulent activities. contact your bank to cancel your cards. This will prevent unauthorized transactions and protect your finances. Keep digital copies of important documents. This includes your passport, Idaho, and any travel insurance information. This will make replacing them easier. Having digital backups can save you a lot of time and hassle. Remember, even amidst challenges, you're not alone. There are always people willing to help. Reach out to your travel companions, hotel staff, or local authorities for assistance. They can provide valuable support and guidance during difficult times. Section 6. The safety net. Why travel insurance is non-negotiable. Travel insurance is crucial for any traveler. It protects you from unexpected costs that can arise during your trip. This includes medical emergencies, lost luggage, or trip cancellations, which can be both stressful and expensive. Imagine this. You get injured and need medical attention abroad. Without insurance, the medical bills can be overwhelming. Travel insurance will cover the expenses, ensuring you get the care you need without the financial burden. This gives you peace of mind, allowing you to enjoy your trip without constantly worrying about what could go wrong. Choose a plan that suits your needs. Consider your destination, trip duration, and activities. Read the policy carefully to understand the coverage. Understand what is covered and what is not. Some policies may not cover certain activities or pre-existing conditions, so it's important to know the details. Think of travel insurance as an investment in your peace of mind. It's a small price to pay for the security it provides. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. The reassurance it offers can make your travel experience much more enjoyable and stress-free. So, before you embark on your next adventure, make sure travel insurance is at the top of your checklist. It's a simple step that can save you from a lot of trouble down the road. Section 7. A rainy day in Paris, turning travel challenges into opportunities. I remember one trip to Paris. I was so excited to see the Eiffel Tower, but it was pouring rain. I could have been upset. Instead, I embraced the moment. I visited a charming cafe. I enjoyed a delicious croissant and coffee. I watched the rain fall on the Parisian streets. It was magical. Later, the rain stopped. I walked along the Seine River. The city lights reflected on the wet streets. It was breathtaking. This experience taught me a valuable lesson. Embrace the unexpected. It can lead to beautiful and unforgettable moments. The power of local knowledge, tapping into local expertise. Locals are your best resource. They know the best places to eat, shop, and explore. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations. Hotel staff are a great source of information. They can suggest local attractions, restaurants, and transportation options. Strike up conversations with locals you meet. You'll be surprised by their hospitality and willingness to help. Remember, embracing local knowledge can enrich your travel experience. It allows you to discover hidden gems and connect with the destination on a deeper level. Section 9. Finding your zen, staying calm amidst the chaos. Travel can be unpredictable. Delays, cancellations, and unexpected events can happen. It's important to stay calm. Take deep breaths. Remind yourself that this too shall pass. Focus on what you can control. Let go of what you can't. Pack a small relaxation kit. Include items like lavender essential oil. Include calming music. Include a stress ball. These can help you find your center amidst chaos. Remember, your attitude can make a big difference. Approach challenges with a positive mindset. You'll navigate them with grace and ease. Section 10. The gift of flexibility, embracing the unexpected detours. Sometimes the best travel experiences are unplanned. Embrace the detours. Be open to changing your plans. Maybe you stumble upon a local festival. Perhaps you meet someone who invites you to explore a hidden gem. These are the moments that create lasting memories. Allow yourself to wander off the beaten path. Discover the joy of spontaneity. You never know what treasures you might find. Remember, flexibility is a gift. It allows you to embrace the unexpected and create a truly unique travel story. Section 11. Turning setbacks into stories, reframing travel disruptions. Travel disruptions can be frustrating, but they also make for great stories. Reframe setbacks as opportunities for adventure. Remember the time your flight was delayed and you met a group of fellow travelers? You ended up having a blast exploring the airport together. Or the time you got lost in a new city and stumbled upon a hidden market? These are the stories you'll be telling for years to come. Embrace the unexpected twists and turns. They add color and character to your travel tales. Section 12, Bon Voyage. Embrace the journey, adapt, and explore. Travel is an incredible journey. It's about exploring new horizons, embracing different cultures, and creating lifelong memories. Remember to pack your sense of adventure, your flexibility, and your willingness to adapt. Embrace the unexpected detours, learn from the challenges, and cherish every moment. So go forth, explore the world, and let the journey unfold. Bon voyage!